Is your electricity bill higher than expected every month? Do you have no idea where and how much electricity is being consumed? Has it ever happened that one phase went down and you only found out hours later? In most industries and organizations, real-time visibility of electricity consumption is simply not available. As a result, unnecessary loads, energy wastage, and expensive electricity bills become a constant challenge. Introducing the Speedotrack energy meter monitoring system. A smart energy meter that lets you monitor every aspect of your electrical system in real time from anywhere. You can monitor single phase and three-phase voltage, RY, YB and RV line voltage, current ampere, total load kilowatt, energy consumption kilowatt hour, total units, active power, apparent power kVA, reactive power kVAR, power factor, frequency hertz, maximum demand, running hours, and every second of historical data. If power fails on any phase, you'll receive an instant alert. If the electrical load suddenly increases, you'll get an immediate notification. If your factory is shut down but electricity is still being consumed, you'll know right away. Every second of energy data is securely recorded, allowing you to easily compare your government meter readings with your energy meter readings. If there is any difference between the two, you can identify the issue in time and take corrective action. Complete control over your electricity usage. Lower energy costs, greater visibility, smarter decisions. Upgrade to the Speedotrack energy meter monitoring system today.